The view from my room wasn't great that morning. The Denny's across the way smelled like shit, and the food was just about the same. It was not worth the extra time wasted off the road. A pit stop at the local Walmart prepared my gear for the inevitable wet weather. Sweating bullets, I covered my luggage in garbage bags. Is better safe than soaked. I always seem to get a little lost when I leave the main interstate. I've learned now to trust my gut, because I was always going the right direction. Beautiful, deceiving skies. I knew the rain was coming, and the dark clouds were nothing but a tease. Indiana welcomed me with unsplittable traffic. But seeing that sign still made me holler. The dark clouds finally gave way to rain as I crossed into Ohio. Having lost the final hour of time, I called it a night. The next day followed suit. Hot, humid, and tired. I passed through Cleveland, Ohio, and was greeted by the gray skies over Lake Erie. And of course, more rain. The state of Pennsylvania smelled like a sauna. Riding with cold, wet gloves feels like someone's bending your fingers backwards. When I could take the punishment no more, I pulled off to soothe the numbness. Looking back, I should have stopped and bought some dish gloves, but often I just wanted to push forward. A short jaunt up the 90 spilled me into New York State. For all that Pennsylvania was humid, New York was green and beautiful. load up all the stuff. Let's go, baby. Babe's right out, he's go! The big day arrived. Leaving Horseheads, the weather could not have been better. I was blown away by how green everything was compared to my dry home in California. I truly enjoyed every moment that day as I rode into Narrowsburg. One gas stop, and a few short hours later, and I finally arrived to Babe's Ride Out. The campgrounds lay adjacent to the Delaware River. Women with all makes of two wheels traveled to enjoy a weekend of camping, riding, and meeting like-minded souls. I couldn't wait for what was in store. Thanks again for watching this short series about my ride to the East Coast. If you'd like to watch the final part of these videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified when I upload. Giving this video a like and leaving a comment is a totally free way to support my work. For early ad-free access to videos like this, you can follow the link in my description to my Patreon. It's just $1 a month to help support my channel and these videos that I love making. So thank you to all of my current patrons, and I will see you guys in the next part.